Question number 21. Which of the following groups of plant was domesticated in the New World and introduced into the Old World? The answer is A. Tobacco, cocoa and rubber. Question number 22. Consider the following statement. Ancient lion is naturally found in India only. Double horned camel is naturally found in India only. One horned is naturally found in India only. Which of the statements given above are the correct? Answer is A. Only one. Asian lion is naturally found in India only. Asiatic. Consider the following pair. Pandharpur. Which of the following pair above are correct match? Answer is A. Pandharpur. Chandrabagha River. In the given year in India, official poverty line are higher in some state than in other because price level vary from state to state. Price level vary from state to state. In the context of which of the following do some scientists suggest the use of Crassus cloud thinking technique and the injection of sulfate aerosol into? The answer is D. Reduce the global warming. Reduce the global warming. In the context of which of the following are the term plasma classification mentioned? Waste to energy technologies. D. Waste to energy technologies. Which of the following are in Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve? Nayar Pepra. Answer A is correct. Question number 29. Consider the following pair. C. First and third was the correct answer. C. Consider the following statement. Some species of turtles are herbivorous, some species of fish are herbivorous, some species of marine mammals are herbivorous, some species of snake are vivivorous. First, second, third, fourth चारों ही correct हैं. Why is there a great concern about the microbeads that are released in environment? They are considered harm to marine ecosystems. A is the correct answer. Recently, there was growing awareness in our country about the importance of Himalayan nettle because it is found to a substantial ratio of textile fiber. For the measurement estimations of which of the following are satellite image remote sensing data used? First, second, third तीनों correct हैं. Consider the following statement with preference to the state mentioned above in term of percent of forest cover to the total area of state. Which of the following is the correct ascending order? छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, उड़ीसा. 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1. Which of the following statement are correct about the deposit of methane hydrate? Global warming might trigger the release of methane gas of this deposit. D is the correct answer. First, second, third is correct. Consider the following statement. Which of the above are released into atmosphere due to burning of crop biomass residue? चारों ही है. Consider the following pair. Adriatic Sea, Black Sea, Caspian, Red Sea. Which of the following pair are above are correctly matched? फर्स्ट, थर्ड, फोर्थ. सी और बाउंड्री कंट्री की बाउंड्री क्या? ठीक है. अमंग द फॉलोइंग which one is the largest exporter of rice in the world of last 5 years? India. Consider the following pair. Glacier or river? First, second and fourth. A1 is the correct answer. First, second, fourth. A1 is correct. In India, the use of carbofuran, methyl parathion, phosphate and is viewed with these chemicals are used as pesticides in agriculture. Consider the following statement. Under Ramsar Convention, it is a mandatory of the part of the Government of India to protect and conserve all the wetland in the territory of India. Third one only is a correct answer. Consider the following statement. Agriculture soil release nitrogen oxide into environment. Cattle release ammonia into environment. First, second, third तीनों correct है. What is the common to the place known as Aliar, Issapur and Kangsabati? Water reservoir. In the concept of proposal to the use of hydrogen enriched CNG as fuel for buses in public transport, consider the following statement. Second and third is the correct answer. HCNC as fuel reduce the carbon oxide and hydrogen emission. Hydrogen up to 1/5 by volume can be blended with CNG as fuel for buses. Why are dewdrop not formed on a cloudy night? Clouds reflect back the earth radiation. B1 is the correct answer. Consider the following statement. Second, the Supreme Court of India struck down the 19th Amendment of the Constitution of India as being violated to the independence of judiciary. B1 is the correct answer. Consider the following statement. The motion of a judge in the Supreme Court. Third and fourth statement is correct. The detail of process of impeachment of the judge of Supreme Court of India are given in Judge Act 1968. If the motion of impeachment of a judge is taken by voting, the law required the motion to be backed by each house of the parliament and supported by majority of total membership of that house and by not less than 2/3 of total member of that house present and voting. The ninth schedule was introduced in Constitution of India during the Prime Ministership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Consider the following statement. Coal sector was nationalized by the Government of India under Indira Gandhi. A. First only correct answer. Consider the following statement. The Parliamentary Act 1959 attempts several posts for disqualification on the ground of office of profit. First and second is the correct answer. A1. Under which schedule of the Constitution of India can transfer from arable land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? Fifth schedule. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel and share.